Imagine waking up in a world where your paycheck is worth less. Your student loans just doubled, and a single emergency can wipe out your entire savings. Welcome to 2025. The economy is evolving faster than ever, and if you don't evolve with it, you'll get left behind. So here's the question. Are you financially literate or financially vulnerable? And no, watching 6 hours of Shark Tank doesn't count as financial literacy. Nice try, though. In this video, I'll show you why financial literacy isn't just nice to have anymore. It's your survival kit, your ticket to freedom, your competitive edge in a world stacked against the uninformed. Let's break it all down. 7 reasons why mastering your money in 2025 is more critical than ever. Point 1. The world is moving to digital currencies. First up, money itself is changing. Cash is dying. Crypto and central bank digital currencies are rising. Your next paycheck might be 100% digital. Sounds futuristic, right? But it's happening right now. If you don't understand how digital wallets, blockchain, or even your credit cards fine print work, you're one update away from losing control of your finances. Financial literacy isn't just about saving pennies. It's about understanding where money is headed and being ready for it. Because in 2025, ignorance isn't just expensive, it's dangerous. Point 2, inflation isn't slowing down. Let's talk about the silent thief in your wallet, inflation. While you're watching this, the cost of your rent, food, and gas is probably creeping up. Again, if you don't know how to hedge against inflation through investing, budgeting, or building multiple income streams, you're stuck on a treadmill going nowhere. You're not bad at adulting. The game just got harder. The rules changed, and no one handed you the new playbook. Financial literacy is that playbook. Point 3, debt is getting smarter and scarier. Credit isn't new, but in 2025, it's slicker, more persuasive, and more predatory. Buy now, pay later isn't free money. It's a trap disguised as convenience. Without financial literacy, you'll fall for it. With it, you'll use credit strategically to build wealth, not drain it. Because here's the truth. Financially smart people use debt as a ladder. The rest, a shovel. Point 4. AI is replacing jobs, not bills. AI isn't coming, it's already here. And it's not taking vacations. Entire industries are shifting. Jobs that paid well in 2020, gone or automated. But guess what isn't disappearing? Rent, insurance, bills. The people who will thrive in the AI era aren't the ones with the fanciest degrees. They're the ones who know how to manage money, adapt quickly, and make their dollars work for them. And speaking of making your money work, wait until you hear what's happening with investing right now. Point 5. Investing has been democratized. Today, you don't need $10,000 to start investing. You need $10 and some knowledge. But here's the twist. While access is easier, risk is higher. One wrong move on a hype stock or meme coin, and you're out. That's where financial literacy flips the game. From gambling to growth, knowing how to analyze risk, diversify, and build a long-term portfolio, that's your real flex in 2025. Point 6. Social media is selling you a dream. Everyone looks rich online, but most are broke offline. The pressure to keep up is intense, but financial literacy teaches you this. Wealth isn't what you show, it's what you grow. If you're spending money to look successful, you're delaying actual success. Repeat after me. Buying a $500 belt with $5 in your bank account is not manifestation. It's madness. Learn the real habits of wealth, and you'll stop falling for filters and flexes. Point 7. Your future self is counting on you. Here's the final and most important point. Your future self isn't 20 years away. They're just one emergency, one layoff, one bad decision away. Financial literacy is the bridge between where you are and the life you actually want. Want to travel, retire early, own a home, give back to your parents? That's not a fantasy, that's a plan. But only if you know how money works. Let's recap. In 2025, financial literacy isn't optional. It's oxygen. The world is moving fast. Too fast for you to stay passive. But you're not powerless. You're not behind. You're just one decision away from changing your entire financial future. So make that decision now. Start learning. Start applying. Start building. Because while everyone else is stuck on TikTok trends, you'll be building wealth in silence and living loud later. Want to avoid the most common traps holding young people back? Watch this next. Rich versus poor. Mindset, the 7 shocking differences. Click it, learn from it, and get one step closer to financial freedom. Your mindset is your map. Your literacy is your compass. And your actions, that's your vehicle. Let's go build your wealthy life together.